Now still Naija FM 102.7. Now you position put live and direct. My name is Aaron B, and I did stand across the bridge right now with the one and only Lady JJ, the Assam one of Naija FM. So sorry to say we start later. I gotta go put something for belly because my baby don't do me wheel. I'm not fasting. They do me wheel. I go shop. But to my surprise now, what I did buy 1,007 before now, doctor 2,005 just for a portion. As soon rice. Okay. I just buy for a very long since the beginning of this year. I never chop one. I just decide them because I just say as an increased price now I run from my. But I just say he hungry now. Your test now today, and this will be the last time in the next 4 months I go eat time again. Now once in every quarter I want to eat time since now 2005 now it be now you get. But Lije, how you doing? Hope you're okay.
I do okay. I do alright. I do fine. I do okay.
Everywhere good, Abi.
By God's grace.
I see it clear, it show. Anyway, quickly, you say you get what you were supposed to look into and just
yes.
deliberate on a little bit.
Yes, we go play the video and you be daddy, so you go fit.
Explanate on top.
People get issues with the way the picking are just 1 year old, but maybe play the video anyway. Yeah, we'll find out.
No, mommy.
What?
Sit down. Fall over.
Oh, I don't want to fall over. I'm okay. It's sat here by his knee.
Ma.
I do.
I want mommy.
I don't want to fall over. Can I not sit on Daddy's knee?
Yeah.
Why not?
Why?
No, mommy.
So where should I sit?
Where should Mummy sit then?
Mummy sit on the floor. No, thank you. I'm sat on my husband's knee.
Is Mummy?
Mommy, no.
Is Mummy my wife?
No, mommy. No, mommy. Come away from Daddy. Cooking. Two cooking.
Anyway, so I want to know what today your mind, Lady J, based on this video when you see this video.
For me, it is very funny. The girl, they possessive of her dad. So anybody around, she don't want anybody to be around her.
Even the mama.
Even mama.
Yeah.
But she say instead of okay, she first of all she say make her mama sit down for floor, or make her mama sit down fall over. She no mind. She goes say move away from daddy. Say cooking. I say go cook. Leave daddy alone. Go cook.
Yeah.
So some people feel say she did disrespectful. Why
To
she
the
go
mama.
talk, to the mama. Why she go talk to her mama like that? No, I won't follow Godwin talk about this. He say now just 1 year old pikin now it ain't normal.
Very, very normal. That age alone, it don't cut off a lot of things. You get me? First of all, you need to also understand, say, fathers and first daughters, there's always this bond between them. See, it says maybe now you be man when not the always they has. If you get first daughter, the bond between first daughter and father is different from any other. And not just you go ever get that bond with your wife. I'm talking about father and daughter bond. You get me? That closeness is always there. Now why you go notice? Even my daughter herself, Chacha, even till now, if my wife pull her for my dry chest, she too low key. The way she go take play sluggish, she not go even know. Unless she don't put the same head on top my chest. You get me? My wife knowing fully well the observe she be woman, I go say, oh, is everything I'm doing you want to do, Abi? You get me? And the way we they play to that, if you notice now, why I thought when my second daughter come last week, when I call her my second wife, don't come. Make my first wife ready here shake from my second, sorry, my third wife. Make my first wife ready here shake from my second and my third wife, which are my two daughters. Why they talk to my because my wife now don't get two people to compete with.
Yes.
For my love and my attention.
Yes.
You get me? So father tends to give a lot of attention and love to the daughters. The same with the daughters now, based on say they be women, they tend to also behave like the wife. So then they drag that same attention when the wife they drag for. Now there the whole arrangement. But there's nothing is normal. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing bad in it. It's just a fatherly and daughterly love. Normally the woman in the picture go collect. It must, which is the wife, which is the mother.
Yes, no.
So it must only collect. But a mature woman go understand. Say, oh, it not pass like that. You
not
get
pass
me?
like that at all.
It's beautiful. Now one of those things where they create a lot of memory. I get a lot of memory of me and my daughter. They always do things when they pepper my wife or body. Like if I say baby now my wife had the answer baby. But when my daughter come, he can't carry the baby from her. So if I say baby, my daughter from nowhere go answer. My wife go say, "Are you talking to me?" I'll say, "No, not be you." Go say, "Okay, no problem." So even when I call baby sometimes, no people was in a share, so she go keep quiet. Go say, "Please mention the person's name. Let me know if it is me or your daughter you are speaking to." So there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing serious. After all, it's just 1 year old.
And say, why she go tell her mama to go cooking, go do.
Yes, now. And if you watch that video, they are certainly Western people, so they don't get respect normally.
The husband na Kenyan, wife na British.
Now British person, so they picking the ability they born for that society too. Now one of those things, my dear, nothing to take home from there. It's just all love. If women tell you what they see for daughters,
but I wonder why they para. Why they vex? No, some people know from this age you go teach picking respect to. If not, she go grow up to become disrespectful. There
are a lot of people, oversensitive people in the social media space. They portray their insecurity, their lack of love, their lack of emotional stability, their lack of English or Wahadime, their lack of anything when they good, they portray for other people's life. So because they don't understand that kind of love language, they tend to see problem with them. When somebody show love on top, play with your wife, play with your husband, because they don't understand that particular what they have never experienced is they tend to see that as an error. So that's where you see the negative comment that comes in. You get me? Now when you go hardly see a happy couple, they really post on social media. They enjoy their life low key. I don't know if you understand. Because when you do that, you tend to create an avenue for people when they not get one or two say, when they're not supposed to get a say or your arrangement to go to talk anyhow for your comment section. That's how it just be. But it's all beautiful. It's all a beautiful moment arrangement. You get. But any other arrangement, if you address it, I'm eating. I'm refilled right now.
You are refilled right
yes,
now.
I don't show belly.
Okay, so this one where Yole Dutch and the talk say himself and he
now skits that they are.
They say them biscuit makers. I don't understand.
They quit talking about the way they do like 5 years so before they talk and skits that they are. So on top of the interview, I never read the full interview, but I don't know on top of the context.
Well, according to waiting day, my very before now. In the talk say the relationship between them now all about skit making, and he maintains say no way. Feel like I don't touch something for the
system. The just don't press play. You don't meow. Could I be open up for somewhere sharply? No, cancel on, quick. Cancel on. Hey, you don't go. You don't know. But I open the.
Come back.
Open up. Where you open up before? Now that same place.
Another same place.
So I want to hear the full report first. May I know the context of which he say na skit makers they be. So first of all, I want to let you know I've always said this right from the beginning of this whole drama between your Edoche and Judy. Say now online content they do. Now just gullible Nigerians they fall for their trap. They make money off Facebook and YouTube heavily. Now why you see them everywhere they give you suspense, drama suspense to hold on to. But that's them saying it. We need to understand. Is it from where the skit for come? Now for the fact say you born 2 children through skit making. I be the picking up be your own. Una go borrow pick it they do the skits or they do the online content or nah. Everything where they happen between your third wife and your second wife and everything a plan work. I don't know. I like hear the interview.
Well, a lot of things where they posted. You say now the team of lawyers of a estranged wife. Now in talking for inside statement say no legal union day between himself and Judith. Now they just
who talking? Now the wife.
Now you're
talking.
They now just based on skit making and then
they do husband and wife arrangements.
So now I say this one's Rita Edoche. Firstly, I was picked from the streets, and today I'm now a skit maker by marriage. God, what have I done to myself?
No, now I did react to that arrangement. Now do the full report reading more. You're and 1 year.
This one's the light is small.
It's small, you know, see.
Unless I enlarge them. But I go try as much as
you know you are not used to modern technology like
no, I'm not used to Nagon Villa I come out from. He said the relationship between them they're all about skits making and in maintain say no legally recognized union day between himself and in estranged and Judith. So now waiting in estranged wife Mary legal team where they headed by Oga Emeka, Barrister Emeka Uguonye of one of one advocate, no call the
Yeah, just continue.
he talking for inside statement.
Okay.
Thank you very much. For inside statement and video address, we review say he make this claim for inside in court filing.
Filings, okay.
Yes. So they talk say May don't file for divorce against her husband for August 2023, and say details of the court proceedment it don't.
They don't keep her secret before.
Yes, but he talks say the case they go on for the FCT High Court for Abuja, and they don't slate hearing for 5th of March.
It don't pass now.
Don't pass now. So he say he faced unexpected setback as the court session in no
proceed.
And a circumstance, Yul and Judy claim
Credit for her.
Yeah, so in the light of this whole parole, the barrister, Mr. Uguonye, will be initially keep the case details under wraps, not find himself obligated to unveil the unfolding development.
Okay, not be there talking by yourself.
Yes, so detailing the developments for inside the case, may lawyer highlight waiting in consider to be the defense strategy where Yul and Judy employ.
Okay.
So he talks in deny saying marry, and he insists say their relationship he no get any legal within a legal statutory recognizement, and he claimed say them biscuit maker.
Okay. Yes. So that means not be your or what it be Judy talking by herself. Now the lawyer representing the first wife May.
So you're right. It's a since in news of the birth of staff for June 2021. Say G's lover. Don't they
leave those story that one before so no, that's to say that the lawyer now they explain what the court document be. So in his defense he come here and say he and Judy never marry legally. So now just kids that they do husband and wife for movie like they do one for movie. Okay, I see where the thing they come from right now. Oh, okay.
So why the change of mouth?
Not be the change. So you go use anything for court.
Defend yourself.
They defend yourself. You get me. That's why you not see they talking by themselves. They're not going to do their PC. The lawyer they review this court document right now because it will spoil their content making. Now people now going to pay attention more to the content whether they shoot since then. You get me. Which they make money from. So it spoil their arrangement. But last, even though say one say the biscuit maker, the Peking not come from skits now.
They not come from skits now.
Peking they appear for skits. Certainly not. You get me. But maybe all these people may go sit down and get personal problem to focus on. Anyway, I wish them well.
If mama don't put hand for head, say then pick me from street. Now
no, not the auntie, or not be the mama, not the auntie, not be retired Doche. Yeah. So you know, say that she be women leader for me. Yes, now she they always fight on behalf of me. You know, say me not they really talk anything on top the matter. What you say she talk? She say what?
She say, first of all, then pick me off from street. Now I they married by skit making. God, what have I done to myself?
But this woman should understand what's going on.
Firstly, I was picked from the streets, and today I'm now a skit maker by marriage. Chai! God, what have I done to myself? They remind me of one skit. God, who did I offend?
Who did I offend? Say this. You see, there are a lot of things when they go on for this country. When we say they are all propaganda, they are part of the setup. They just want to make the thing happen. Maybe for yours the bobozi. Why did they cash out on top of your head? Now one of them be this. Now why not they really take anytime I see the video of your or Judy, I know they take her serious because I know what their plans, what they plan to achieve with videos like that. Now just the poor Nigerians, so they always for the comment section. Now they pity because you carry high BP on top person matter when they cash out on top.
The person they drink.
They drink beer. His wife they feed on beer.
Now they chop catfish. They make ice cream.
He open online church.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.